It all starts with something called corner features, but what exactly are they and why are they so essential in computer vision? Let's dive right in. Corner features, also known as interest points, are points in an image where two strong edges meet. Picture the corner of a table or the pointy end of a triangle. These points are unique and can be easily recognized, making them ideal for a whole host of applications in computer vision. They're used for object tracking, three-dimensional triangulation, and object recognition. For instance, in facial recognition, corner features could be the corners of eyes or mouth, which help in distinguishing one face from another. They are also key players in image alignment, indexing and database retrieval, and even robot navigation. Essentially, wherever you need to match, track, or recognize objects or scenes across multiple images, corner features come into play. So, how are these corner features detected? This is where the Harris corner detector comes into the picture. The basic idea is simple. If you look through a small window at a point on an image and shifting that window in any direction causes a significant change in intensity, then that point is a corner feature. The Harris detector identifies these corner features by creating a matrix for every point in the image. If the minimum value in this matrix is above a certain threshold, then voila, we have a corner. However, it's worth noting that while the Harris detector is partially invariant to intensity changes, it is non-invariant to image scale. This means that if the size of the image changes, the detector may not identify the same corner features. To summarize, corner features are unique points in an image where two strong edges meet. They are crucial in computer vision applications like object tracking, three-dimensional triangulation, and object recognition, and they're detected using techniques like the Harris corner detector, which identifies significant changes in intensity when a small window around a point is shifted. However, detectors like Harris are not perfect and have limitations such as non-invariance to image scale. So, the next time your smartphone camera recognizes a face, or you marvel at the latest self-driving car, remember the humble corner feature, the unsung hero behind these technological marvels. It's more than just a point in an image. It's a cornerstone of computer vision.